Hello everyone, in this video we're going to replace the impeller of the centrifugal pump. For this preventive maintenance, we're going to need the following tools and materials: a 17mm Allen wrench or a ratchet with an extension bar and a 17mm socket, locking pliers and a pulley puller, and combination wrenches in sizes 10, 13, 15, 17, 18 and 19 millimeters. A ratchet wrench with an extension along with 15 and 18 millimeter sockets and a cleaning rack. The very first step is to carefully disassemble the side covers, the exhaust system, and then both the flexible suction and discharge couplings. Now, we are going to carefully loosen and then proceed to rotate the flexible couplings that are part of the discharge piping assembly. To facilitate the removal of the pump's outer casing with greater ease, it is crucial to first unfasten the mounting bolts of the stationary engine and then properly support it, as I will proceed to demonstrate for you next. Alright, we're going to loosen up all of these screws and then remove the centrifugal pump's casing. We're going to use the locking pliers to secure the rotor, preventing its rotation, and then the 17mm wrench to loosen the bolt. After that, we'll remove the rotor with the help of a pulley puller. In order to reassemble the rotor, we must carefully position the key onto the shaft and then proceed to couple the rotor into place. Once this step has been completed, we then need to position the washer and the front screw. Following that, we must again secure the rotor firmly with the locking pliers to ensure that it is properly tightened. To reassemble the pump casing, we'll first lubricate the O-ring seat with grease, then we'll position the O-rings, the pump casing, and the securing screws, finally tightening them all. After the centrifugal pump has been firmly secured in place, we can then proceed to carefully remove the shim that is positioned within the motor. And following this step, we will perform the necessary cleaning and lubrication of the flexible coupling channels. Now we can reassemble the suction and the discharge lines and then tighten all the flexible couplings. And to finalize the overall maintenance procedure, upon massage, we will then retighten the engine's main mounting points and carefully reassemble the exhaust and the side covers.